In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Skyscanner runs its business, explained. We'll be using a reference article to walk through how Skyscanner operates and why its model has become so important in online travel. To begin, open the page titled How Does Skyscanner Company Work on Business Model Canvas Template.com. This page gives a structured overview of the company and serves as the foundation for everything we'll cover next. Once you're on the article, move to the section called How Does Skyscanner Company Operate? This part is helpful because it frames Skyscanner not as a traditional airline or travel agency, but as a meta search platform. In simple terms, that means it helps users compare travel options from many different providers in one place, rather than selling all of those services directly itself. From there, continue to the section explaining how Skyscanner actually connects travelers with the world's travel inventory. This is one of the most important ideas in understanding the business. Skyscanner acts like a discovery engine for flights, hotels, and car rentals, pulling together listings and pricing from airlines, online travel agencies, and other travel partners. The value here is convenience, speed, and visibility for the user. Next, review the section describing Skyscanner's growth from a startup founded in 2003 in Edinburgh into one of the travel industry's leading meta search gateways. This background adds useful context. It shows that the company scaled by becoming a trusted place for travel comparison, eventually serving more than 120 million monthly users and supporting over 100 billion annual price searches. Those numbers help explain the scale of its technology and partner network. After that, go to the part covering the key operations driving Skyscanner's success. This section is essential because it highlights the mechanisms behind the platform. As you read, focus on how the company balances user experience, data freshness, broad inventory access, and partner relationships. These operational pieces work together to make the platform useful and competitive. Then continue to the section explaining that Skyscanner's core operations center on delivering comprehensive transparency for global travel discovery. Here, the article emphasizes that the company aggregates frequently updated fares and availability across many sources. That matters because users expect accurate comparisons and up-to-date pricing when making travel decisions. Finally, click into the highlighted text within that core operations section to explore it more closely. This last action helps reinforce the central idea of Skyscanner's business model. It succeeds by functioning as a gateway between travelers and a massive, constantly changing pool of travel options. By following these sections in order, you get a clear picture of how Skyscanner runs its business, grows its reach, and creates value through travel search transparency.